Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is D minor blues riff. So what I'm going to talk about, I'm going to show you, but first make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. Please also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So what are we talking about today? This thing here. Yeah, stuff like that. You probably haven't noticed the real difficulty in today's tutorial. It's just drum and bass and guitars. We have a trio, and the guitar is a really straight bluesy setting with the Fender Twin reverb with some spring reverb, and that's it. So you have to fill out the whole thing, carry the whole tune, and still need to sound interesting, and that's quite a challenge, guys. So let's get started. Alright guys, this one is in the key of A minor, and we have to be in A minor because we need those open strings. So the chords are 4 bars A minor, 2 chords D minor, 2 chords A minor, F, E, A minor and D. But of course we will not play exactly like that. So the riff is like this. So we have starts here 1, 2, 3, open E string 4, and then open A string 1 and 2. Slide up here to the A minor 7, slide up from first in the 3rd fret. So 1, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. And then you start again on 4 and with the opening lick. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So that's basically the thing. And 1 it represents 1 bar, and you can make it sound more interesting if you want by adding a bit of natural chorus. You just press against the guitar and see, and pull a little bit the neck and create kind of a chorus effect. You don't have so much time for this, but you can do this as an additional effect. So that's riff number 1 for A minor played 4 times. Then the whole thing goes up to D minor, so you just move up 1 string and whole thing on 1 string above. Back to A minor. Okay, and then on the F, you can do either F13 here, 1st fret, 2nd, 3rd, or here F9. Here we are in the 8, 7, 8, 8. Bar here also with the E string. And you just go over the bass, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and to normally 1 and 2, or E7 sharp 9 would be here 7, 6, 7, 8. Then 1 bar A minor again and 1 bar E7. So that will be that. I'm going to play the whole thing now, the simple form of it, the version of it, once that I see how it works, and then we're going to the more interesting stuff. So that was one full chorus. Okay, so you can do this when the time while you do your lyrics. I don't know what to sing here. I'm not really a sing like. Oh yeah, I feel so bad. My babe just left me. Something like this. I gotta try. Oh yeah, I feel so bad. Well, with lyrics you don't have time for the opening phrase. Okay. Now let's go to the next step. If you want to make it sound more interesting, as I said, if you want to do lyrics, you have to skip this part because you don't have time for that. Because now here comes the thing. If you want to add additional stuff, the first two beats of a bar, so 1 and 2 and 3, are occupied with the riff, and you need to do this going on in a trio version because you need to still carry the tune, but then you have 2 beats more to fill it up with something, okay? You could probably do, I don't know, the best thing would be instead of doing this as a rhythm figure, it's on 4 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. You can start to improvise here on the A minor pentatonics just by using the 4 and doing the same rhythm figure as the opening bass. But we want to have a variation, so let's do a triplet. So 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and. So triplets are 3 per beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. See, so now we have 3 notes per beat, and now it's getting more interesting. You can do any licks, but you only have 1 beat time. So you can do either shuffle dates or triplets, okay? What you also can do is add sextols, because it's pretty slow. You still have to. Sextols will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You still can do the 1 up here instead of doing the bass, because with the bass is doing already the root note, so you can make a sextol run like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So, or that could also work to have some variation on that. So that also works. Or you can do this here as sextile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also sextile. Or something like this. That also works. So here and stop here on the root note. That also works, of course. As I said, you can do anything. You can do shuffled eights, triplets, or sextiles, or you just can simply do just a double stop, like or here. This one also works, of course. Let's do that. See how it works. Go to the beginning. Yeah. Or now we soon finish. As I said, you can do lyrics instead of doing those phrases, or mix it up. I feel so bad. Maybe you just left me. I feel so blue. I have no hope. Stuff like that. So let's make a summary. I'm just gonna play a little bit. Let's see what you can do with this. Make it cool, relaxed. Less is always more. Just play one note, but playing it meaningful is better than just noodling around, especially when it comes to blues. Okay, so we start with a thing. Yeah, guys, that was D minor blues riff. You must agree it's really a cool riff, and I must say that was the very first minor blues riff which I knew, and it's still one of my favorites, even after playing now 30 years of guitar. It's still fun. But if you do it in a trio version, It's really extremely demanding because, you know, you always need to keep up and do things and do stuff. And with this really puristic blues sound, just Fender amp and spring reverb, you really have no space for error. You really need to know what you're doing. Yo, so either you want to do it with lyrics or without lyrics, it's all cool and it works. And yeah, I'm gonna write a few of those licks as tabs and also the riff, and they're gonna be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, as well as this backing track with just drum and bass, so you can practice with that, or you can just play on your own. Like you can also make it as a solo version, just, you know, without band. It's also cool. It's still grooving, you know. If you make it properly, you can do it in a solo version. It's gonna be awesome. Or with the trio is also cool. Yo. Now my phone is ringing, so me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye. I'll probably pick up the phone. Bye, guys.